This chocolate raspberry cake I'm getting ready to make is my absolute favorite. The recipe is from the cookbook Vegan with a Vengeance, and it's so easy to pull together. Let's get started. First, line your greased cake pan with parchment paper and set that aside. Start making your batter by sifting your dry ingredients into a mixing bowl. Then mix those together with a spatula so the ingredients are incorporated. In a separate bowl, start putting in your wet ingredients, including the sugar, nut milk, canola oil, vanilla, raspberry jam. For the jam, I'm using a homemade version. It's only got 3 ingredients and it's super delicious. I'll link to the recipe to that in the description so you have it available. And let's get back to it. Once you have all your wet ingredients together, go ahead and give them a mix until the sugar dissolves. Then pour that into your dry ingredients. Mix those together until all of your ingredients are incorporated. Pour the batter into your lined cake pan. Place in the oven you've preheated to 350 degrees and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. Let the cake sit for a few minutes in the pan and then get ready to turn it out. After it's completely cooled, take a serrated knife and slice it into 2. Spread some of your homemade jam onto the bottom layer. Try to get it as close to the edge as possible without spilling over. Place the top layer over the jam. Pour the ganache over the top, then take a small spatula and help smooth it out and drip it over the sides. The ganache recipe I use is super simple. I will link to that recipe in the description for you as well, and it is absolutely delicious. Now let's get ready to decorate this cake. You can decorate it any way you'd like. I like to decorate mine with fresh raspberries and chocolate chips. This cake is so yummy and an absolute showstopper, and it really doesn't take that much work at all. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.